South Bay is home to many fine aquatic creatures. Today we're going to be learning about the octopus, sea hare, and mussels.
Alright, so what we got over here are mussels. So mussels live right underneath the pier, and their kingdom is Animalia, phylum Mollusca, and class Bivalvia. So mussels are very similar to clams, abalone, and giant clams. Mussels have a muscular foot, a shell, and a radula, and a soft body. That's what makes them mussels. They can grow up to 5 inches in length, which is specific to their species, the California mussel. Mussels produce through broadcast spawning, and they're mature for mating when they're around 3 years old. That's about mid-age for them. During broadcast spawning, the female will dispense eggs out of its siphon, and the male will dispense its sperm out of its siphon, and they will fertilize. After the eggs are fertilized, the egg will start to develop into a larva, and then it'll start to secrete a shell. Mussels have a shell, making it unnecessary for the parent to live with them the rest of their life. Mussels interact with the environment by filtering out any harmful plankton or bacteria. I chose this species because I basically see them everywhere, at the beach, when I'm spearfishing, when I'm fishing. I find them pretty interesting how they can support themselves and live life so successful. The sea hare, the kingdom is Animalia, the phylum is Mollusca, and the class is Gastropoda. Some major characteristics that make it a mollusca are that it's a gastropod, so it has a soft body, and it also has an outer shell. So the class that they're in has a specific characteristic where they can release ink, and it causes the predators to have a chemical deterrence, and it throws off their sensory organs. Some things that are specific to the species is that they can weigh up to 15 pounds, and they adapted to pushing off the predators. So this species is a hermaphroditic, and that basically means that they have a penis that protrudes to the right of the anterior tentacle, but they can also act as females and reproduce themselves. And then after they're in their larval stage, their parents don't care for them because they lay the eggs in seagrass or anywhere hidden so that they're not eaten by their predators. So they live in a shallow, rocky coastal environment, normally up the coast of California all the way to Alaska and all the way down to Baja California as well. So in their habitat, some requirements that they need is they need some rocks for protection and any sort of algae or other sort of plant that they can hide in just so that they can fend off predators. So I chose this species because they're pretty interesting, how they can live their lives and eat their food without moving too far.
Two-spotted octopus is in the phylum Mollusca, kingdom Animalia, and class Cephalopoda. Two-spotted octopus is also related to other organisms in the class Cephalopoda. The major characteristics that make the two-spotted octopus a mollusca is because they have bilateral symmetry and a closed digestive system. An adaptation the octopus has is it able to change colors and change its body shape to fit into extremely tight places. The size can reach 33 pounds and are able to change colors due to the adaptation they use to hide from their predators. Both males and females may have more than one mate. Sexual interactions occur between the Pacific octopuses in two positions, side by side or with the male on top. The female stores the sperm within their body and until she is ready to lay the eggs. When it comes to the young, the father dies after intercourse and the mother dies after birth. The two-spotted octopus mainly indulges in crustaceans like crab. They are able to penetrate the powerful chitin shell by using its beak. The two-spotted octopus lives only in California. They require rocks and structure to burrow into for safety. The octopus interacts by keeping invasive species to a minimum. The two-spotted octopus is extremely interesting because of how intelligent they are. They are able to perform experiments using tools and foreign objects. They adapt and overcome these obstacles.